You're staring at your to-do list. It's only 3 items long. Simple, right? But your ADHD brain suddenly decides reorganizing your entire closet is priority number one. Meanwhile, the normal brain next to you checks off the list, grabs lunch, and moves on with life. Ever wonder why? The difference between an ADHD brain and a so-called normal brain is like comparing a Ferrari with bicycle brakes to a steady sedan cruising down the highway. Both will get you somewhere, but one risks spinning out of control at every turn. Scientists have uncovered some powerful truths. The ADHD brain often runs low on dopamine, the chemical that fuels motivation and reward. That's why boring tasks feel like torture, while exciting ones trigger superhuman focus. Brain scans even show that areas responsible for planning, impulse control, and focus develop on a delay compared to neurotypical brains. And here's the twist. Those differences aren't just about attention. They ripple into emotions, relationships, and everyday habits. The ADHD brain might explode over tiny frustrations, forget what was just said seconds ago, or hyperfixate so intensely it forgets to eat. To the outside world, it looks careless or lazy. Inside, it feels like wrestling a storm. The warning signs? They're often disguised as quirks, chronic procrastination, restlessness even in quiet moments, jumping from one idea to another like a pinball machine. It's not a choice, it's the brain's wiring. And the cost of ignoring it can be brutal. Strained relationships, missed opportunities, and the nagging belief that you're always falling short. Because the ADHD brain doesn't play by the same rules, it rewrites them loudly, chaotically, and brilliantly, while the normal brain watches, wondering what just happened.